Hi friends, welcome to my channel Traveling Monk of India. It's been a little long time after that I am bringing a video on my Java Pera. So today I am out for a morning ride from my home to Karjat. It's not a big ride, it's around 40-45 kilometers ride. The best part is you can see the rising sun, which is why I plan to do this ride. I am a morning person and I'm really loving the way you can drive in the morning. So you don't have too many people around, you don't have traffic, and you can ride on your own and enjoy the morning. So that was the idea, and I'm really enjoying my Java Pera. I just wanted to add, you guys might have seen that I have bought a new Stealth Evo jacket. This is a Rhinox jacket, and this is for my safety purpose, because this is an important thing when you're riding, when you're doing a long ride or around 40-50 kilometers. It's better that you wear a jacket, because in the highways you tend to drive it more often around 100. You can see in my speedometer that I am touching 80 to 100 many a time. So that is the reason it is safe to have a riding jacket. It is advisable. So ideally, whoever is riding a little bit longer on the highways, please go ahead and buy some safety gears for yourself. That is recommended, guys. I bought it from Rhinox and I have ordered it online. I did ensure that I checked my size and accordingly order, and I did that and it fit me perfectly. So you guys can also do the same if you don't want to go to the shop and buy. So that option is also available with Rhinox. Other than that, what interesting thing had happened is, when I got the jacket, they also gave me a 50,000 insurance cover with this jacket. An accidental insurance. So that is for a year. So thank you Rhinox for that, for the same. And other than that, I think you guys have also seen some footage of my new aerial shots in some of these videos, previous two videos, as well as in this video. So I'm really excited to add that particular device to my kitty. I'm really loving it, though I'm not very well aware how to fly it till now. Yes, you are correct, it's a drone. I'm enjoying flying that drone. I have also ensured that I have enlisted my drone with DGCA, that's Digital Sky. So if anyone has a drone, I will highly recommend that they do it. It is all recommended for all, whether it's a nano drone or a micro drone or any other drone. So ensure that you do let DGCA know that you have a drone, and that is highly recommended. So that's a little bit chit chat with you guys that I thought I should do today while riding. That's more than enough, I think, for today. Let me know if you guys want to know more about my drone. Let me know in the comment section so that I can create a specific video for it. And also, if you want to know more about the Stealth Evo jacket, I will be happy to share my thoughts. But ideally, I need to know if people are interested, then only I will create a video about it. I have now reached Karjat and I'm on my way to my destination probably. So that should be all for today. Thank you guys for subscribing my channel, and people who haven't, please, I will recommend, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the like icon if you like this video. I'll bring more such videos in future. So thank you guys, enjoy and stay safe and fight for yourself, guys. Thank you very much.